Would you like to know what your customers think about your business, how happy they are, and whether they would recommend your products and services? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then the Customer Satisfaction Survey module in Cashback Solutions is exactly what you need. This module provides you with an easy way to create your very own customer surveys. The information you get back helps you to make your services even better. Let's take a look at a simple example to see just how this works. To create your own survey, open your Merchant Lounge and select the Customer Satisfaction Survey option. Now click on New Customer Satisfaction Survey. All of the fields marked in red are mandatory. Enter a name for the survey, for example, Service, and add a subject line and introduction to be included in the email to your customers. Then define the time period in which the survey can be carried out. Our survey will run from the 10th of November 2015 until the 31st of December 2016. Begin the survey with a universal greeting, as your survey will be sent to both men and women. To make sure your loyal customers do not get the same satisfaction survey every time they make a purchase, you can go to Survey Frequency per Customer to see how many times each loyal customer has received your survey. In our example, we want customers to receive the survey no more than once every 6 months. Furthermore, you can use the quantity and frequency of your customers' purchases to determine which customers receive a survey. For example, you can decide that only customers who spent at least £70 during the survey period and who have shopped at your store at least 5 times in the last 3 months receive the email. Click on Save to store the basic settings for your survey. Once you have saved these settings, you can add the questions that you would like to send to your customers. Based on the industry you work in, we will add a set of default questions that you could use for your survey. You can select a maximum of 7 questions and then define 2 of your own questions. We are selecting 3 questions: speed of service, restaurant cleanliness from the general category, and atmosphere in the restaurant from individual questions. For each question, you can select a scale ranging from satisfied to dissatisfied, or important to not important, or use a yes/no answer. We are using a scale for our example. By clicking on Add Selected, you will add these questions to your survey. Make sure that general category questions come first. To do this, mark the category and press and hold Move Selection upwards until it reaches the desired position. You can also use this method to move categories around within a category. Once you have finished arranging your questions, you can get a preview of the question section of your customer satisfaction survey. You can also click on Email Preview to check the email that will be sent to your customers with the survey. By clicking on Schedule, you can activate the survey on the desired starting date. From this point onwards, the survey will be emailed to customers that meet the defined criteria, such as purchase amount and number of transactions. The email will be sent out shortly after the customer makes a purchase from your shop. Once your survey has been activated and the first customers have sent you their feedback, you will be able to check the latest results at any time. Then go to Back to Survey List to switch to the survey in question and click on View Results. This will show you the results in graph form. By creating a customer satisfaction survey using Cashback Solutions, you can respond quickly to your customers' feedback while also creating a positive experience for your customers.